and it is the SH exclamation point T kit. Y'all know what that says? I ain't gotta say it out loud. Let's take a look at the beep kit and the potty pack. Let's see what you get. Okay, so let's look at the beep kit first. You get a little towelette. Okay, so let's go all the way on this thing. You get your little moist towelette. You also get a hand sanitizer. All right, so let's just cut the edge off of that. There's the hand sanitizer. You get some toilet paper. Now that is awesome. Here we go. You might need to use it a little sparingly, but you get, let's see, I don't know how long a roll that is. You also get what they call tush wipes by Pure Touch. Individual flushable moist wipes. So let's take a look at those. All right, these are much larger moist wipes. And finally, you get a little trash bag to throw all that stuff away.